to check out this 3-bedroom, 3-bath home located in the private gated community of Dolphin Bay in Panama City Beach. This gorgeous home offers a spacious floor plan, a kitchen with a breakfast bar and island, and offers lots of natural light. A fenced-in yard, a garage, and peace of mind with a new roof, security system, and hurricane shutters. You'll enjoy outdoor living and everything a boater could ever imagine with your very own large covered boat slip, private dock, and a boat lift. Enjoy outdoor living and this gorgeous community in Panama City Beach. It is located right on a deep water canal and has Gulf access. Priced under $900,000, it is a deal you don't want to miss. Give us a call today and we'll be happy to show it to you.